Cracking your knuckles doesn't cause arthritis. The sound comes from gas bubbles collapsing inside joint fluid, not bones grinding. Habitual cracking may annoy people, but it doesn't destroy your joints. In casual conversations and friendly gatherings, knuckle cracking often sparks debate. Some claim it brings bad luck, while others dismiss it as harmless. But the truth is, it's just a common nervous habit without the dire consequences some believe. Medical professionals emphasize the importance of separating fact from fiction regarding joint care. Many athletes and active individuals crack their knuckles confident in the knowledge that it poses no risk to their joint health.